How to turn off Windows Update. Now I am going to show you how to turn off Windows Update permanently. First of all, check your network setting here. Now you can see my Wi-Fi icon, Wi-Fi connected icon here. Sometime you may be connect with your cable connection or mobile data connection. Right click, then open network and internet setting. You can see settings tab here, then home, network and internet. Then go to the stats tab, network stat. My network here, you are connected to the internet. Then next step, go to the data usage tab here. After click data usage tab, you can see overview here. This is my internet connection. You can see my internet connection here. Select to internet connection. Then you can see data limit section. You have used 100% of your data, 100 megabyte limit. You can turn off your Wi-Fi connection to save data or try connect to different network. Then go to the edit tab, edit limit. Click this button, set data limit. You can see set data limit. Limit type is monthly, one time unlimited. Click here monthly, then monthly reset date set 28, then data limit 100. I have set 100. You can set any number. I have set 100. Then click save button. After click the save button, you will receive message you have reached your Wi-Fi data limit. This message. Now you have turned off Windows Update permanently. This is an alternative method for turn off or disable Windows 10 update permanently. Windows trying to download your updates, but you have reached maximum data limit for Windows updates or usage for Windows work. Windows trying to download updates, but data is limited for download the Windows update. Never automatically download your Windows updates. This is a permanent and very easy method for turn off Windows update. Try once and comment and subscribe my channel. You will happy. I am sure you will happy with this strategy for turn off or disable Windows automatic updates. Thank you very much.